Welcome to another edition of Yorkshire Kris Weekly. As you can see, it's a very, very windy day out here. We've had gusts of already 60 kilometres an hour and it's set to get a lot worse. This poor little Acacia has been pushed right over. All the bamboos, everything else is going absolutely everywhere, and it's absolutely chucking it down and pelting as well. But I have luckily done a little bit of filming early in the week, so let's have a look at that now. So here's what my weather station looks like after 4 or 5 years of continuous use. Change the batteries once a year, updates to my underground site all the time, 24/7, and I do have another temperature gauge along the pergola to compare temperatures to make sure they're both roughly the same and accuracies kept all year round. Now this is the first harvest, or soon to be harvest, of Trachycarpus fortunei berries or seeds that I've ever had, and there's literally thousands on here. I'm not going to use most of these, but I will sow a few of them, and that will be shown in an upcoming video. But there are literally thousands. The greenish go greenish, bluish, purple, and these obviously form from last year's flowers and ripening over winter. And if I let these hit the ground, there'll be lots and lots of trachys coming up over the next few years. So I will remove most of these. I don't want a forest of Trachycarpus underneath this one. The weather has been really turbulent recently, with high winds, some nighttime frosts and many gloomy sunless days, but overall it's been a very mild start to 2012. Lots of plants have already started growing in the garden, so let's have a look at some of those now.